Today reviewing is Xiaomi Mi 6 and versus Apple iPhone 7 Plus. Compare is Xiaomi Mi 6 Apple iPhone 7 Plus. Compare Mi 6 price rate is $400 and iPhone 7 Plus is price is $900. Model Mi6 Ceramic Edition iPhone 7 Plus. Status available. Release date May 2017, 2016 September. Dimension is 145.2x into 70.5x into 7.5 mm. Weight 182 grams and 188 grams. Ceramic black colors ceramic black, blue, white, jet black. iPhone 7 is jet black, silver, gold, rose gold. Body materials doesn't choose yet. Waterproof, yes. iPhone 7 Plus, yes. SIM card, dual SIM and the nano SIM. iPhone 7 nano technology GSM SPL LTE and iPhone 7 is GSM SPL LTE. Both are same. Operating system Android 7.11 Nougat and iPhone 7 is operating system 10.1. Processor octa-core and iPhone 7 is quad-core. Chipset Snapdragon 835 and iPhone 7 Apple A10. GPU Adreno 50540. RAM is Mi6 RAM is 6GB and iPhone 7 RAM is 3GB RAM. Storage 464GB and or 128GB and iPhone 7 is 32GB and 128, also 256GB storage available. Card slot no. Display size is Mi6 display is 5.15 inches and iPhone 7 Plus is display is 5.5 inches. Type IPS LCD. Capacitive touch screen. 16 million colors. And iPhone 7 6 Plus is LED backlit IPS LCD capacitive touch screen. 16 million color. Resolution also both are same. Camera both are same. Flash video both are same. Features also same. And secondary 8 Mi6 8 megapixel and iPhone 7 is 7 megapixel. Battery Li polymer battery and iPhone also Li polymer battery. Capacity 3350 mAh battery Mi6 and iPhone 7 is 2900 mAh battery. Removable, non-removable, both are non-removable battery. Standby talk time, music play, browsing also available. So I think both are same. 3G network, 4G network, speed, GPRS, yes. Bluetooth Mi6 power is too much high. Sensor Mi6 sensor is accelerometer, gyro and proximity, and iPhone 6 Plus is sensor is fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer, radio, FM radio. So no, iPhone 7 there are no any radio. So guys, thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.